Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to get in on the next big crypto before it blows up? Picture this, a meme coin that's not just for laughs, but one that's set to hit Binance, bringing with it the potential for massive gains. Intrigued? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving deep into the world of dogs and how you can ride this rocket straight to the moon. Imagine waking up one morning to see your small investment has multiplied tenfold. Sounds like a dream, right? But for many early adopters of meme coins like Doge, this was a reality. Now there's a new player in town, Dogs, and it's about to make waves as it lands on Binance. You see, Dogs isn't just another meme coin, it's packed with potential. But like with any opportunity, timing is everything. So if you're here, consider yourself one of the lucky ones. You're about to learn how to claim your tokens, understand the tokenomics, and possibly strike it rich if Dogs follows the trajectory of its predecessors. First things first, let's break down what makes Dogs special. The total supply? A whopping 550 billion tokens. Now I know what you're thinking. Sounds like a lot of dogs, right? But here's the kicker. 81% of those tokens are being distributed to the community through airdrops. Yes, you heard that right. The developers are essentially handing out free money. Let's dive into those numbers. In the first round alone, 400 billion Dogs tokens are being distributed. If you're watching this, chances are you're in line for a piece of that pie. The remaining tokens will be used for future community rewards, so the fun doesn't stop after launch. And the best part? The devs are taking care of the liquidity with 8.5% of the supply, ensuring that trading kicks off without a hitch. But what about the price predictions? This is where things get interesting. Based on the launch of similar meme coins, we could see an initial market cap of around $500 million, with a launch price of about 0.00125 per Dogs token. Now, if Dogs follows the success of other meme coins, we could be looking at a market cap of $3 billion in the near future, pushing the price to around 0.0075 per token. And for those who love to dream big, if Dogs hits a $3 billion market cap, we could be talking about a potential price of 0.055 per token. So what does that mean for you? If you're sitting on 40,000 Dogs at launch, that could be worth around $50. But in that moon scenario, your stack could grow to $2,200. Not bad for an airdrop, right? Now let's talk strategy. If you're eligible for the airdrop, make sure you claim those tokens as soon as they're available. Timing is crucial. Early birds, or should I say early dogs, catch the biggest bones. And don't overlook Binance's launch pool. By staking your BNB, you can earn more Dogs tokens with an expected yield of around 4 to 5%. It's like printing money. Remember, while the crypto world is full of opportunities, it's also unpredictable. Keep an eye on the market, stay informed, and most importantly, take profits along the way. Unrealized gains are just numbers on a screen until you cash out. And if you're serious about Dogs, get involved in the community, because in the world of meme coins, strength lies in passionate followers. So, are you ready to jump on board and see where this Dogs train takes you? Whether you're a seasoned crypto veteran or just starting out, this is your chance to be part of something big. The Dogs token is more than just another coin. It's a movement, and you've got a front row seat. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.